Using money received in PayPal is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To start, you need to have a PayPal account with a verified email address and a balance in your account. First, log into your PayPal account and navigate to the summary page where you can view your current balance. If you have received money, it will be displayed here. Next, you have two main options to use your PayPal balance. You can either transfer it to your bank account or use it to make online purchases. To transfer your balance to your bank account, click on the Transfer Money option and follow the prompts to enter your bank account details. If you want to use your PayPal balance to make online purchases, simply navigate to the website of the merchant you want to buy from and select PayPal as your payment method at checkout. Another option is to use your PayPal balance to purchase gift cards or reload prepaid cards. This can be done directly from the PayPal website by selecting the gift cards option and following the prompts to choose your desired gift card. It is also possible to use your PayPal balance to pay bills or send money to friends and family. To do this, navigate to the Send Money option and enter the recipient's email address or phone number. To ensure the security of your PayPal account, it is essential to keep your account information up to date and monitor your transactions regularly. Additionally, be cautious when using your PayPal balance to make online purchases, and only shop at reputable websites. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily use the money you have received in PayPal to make online purchases, transfer funds to your bank account, or send money to others.